Zergatik ez du funtzionatzen Industri 4.0 ereduak, horri erantzuteko bildu dira Bilboko Merkatal Ganbaran adituak eta enpresetako ordezkariak. Mondragon Unibertsitateak antolatu du bilkura.
Gure helburua azkenean gure misioari erantzutea da, ez? Gizarteari eralaraztea ezagutza. Agente guztiak gaude buru belarri 4.0 inguruan hitz egiten. Nazioarteko aditu bat ekarri dugu, management arloan, batez ere operazioetan, eta behin eta berriz hori, gure misioari erantzuna eman alizateko, zabaltzea, da helburua, gizarteari zabaltzea, batez ere enpresak, agente bezalan enpresari zabaltzea.
Industry 4.0 doesn't work because what it does is it more tightly couples information together. So there's no way to be able to respond as a company because of that tight coupling. It's like trying to drive a car that's got no shock absorbers. So as Industry 4.0 connects more and more devices and connects more and more companies, there's no room for error. And what we know is the future looks very little like the past, so there's lots of error coming at us. I think the biggest thing is that we have to think about is how do we look at what we've always done and realize that just because it worked in the past doesn't work in the future. The challenge for the companies is to really change their thoughtware, is to change how we think about running a business, how is a business going to be successful, and what really is the objective of the business. That's the most difficult part, and it's the most important part. So what are the concepts that we really need to understand? They're going to help businesses be successful. Because if business is successful, then economies are successful and people are successful.
Enpresa ikasketak egiten ari diren gazteentzat gomendioak ere eman dituzte.
What I would recommend for students that are just getting onto the business world is get an understanding of the new concepts before you go to the business world. The businesses that are out there really need young, bright talent like you that have a good education and an understanding of these new concepts of how to manage a supply chain and manage a company to go help companies to be successful now and into the future.
Adituei entzun da hausnarketa interesgarriak egin dituzte parte hartzaileek.
Industria 4.0 guainan modan dagoela, emakumeek nik uste erabat atzeraka bota duela, ezta?
Pero al final las previsiones a lo largo plazo, que es lo que hemos aprendido hoy, a largo plazo funcionan, pero en el corto plazo tú tienes mucha variabilidad. Entonces, si tú planificas en cada punto en función de la previsión que tu cliente te ha dado, pues al final lo que haces es aumentar muchísimo tu stock y no tienes un buen flujo y no tienes un buen servicio.
Teorikoki guain arte landu ditugun gauza asko utzi egin behar dira, ez du balio, ez prebisiotan, ez datutan, baizik eta orden realetan eta fido realetan finkatu behar dituela gure erabakiak.